In this video, we are going to look at the Lynx Whiteboard Games option, and specifically within Games, how to create a quiz. Now that I'm on my Lynx Whiteboard dashboard, I'm going to come here to the Games option, and within Games, you're going to add a game and select the option of down here, Quiz. It's really easy to get started creating this game or this quiz within Games. To title it, all you have to do is type in your title here. I call this test quiz. You can, if you want to, click this pencil icon to select an image or upload an image that's related to your testing options. To type in a question, all you have to do is click here where it says question, and I can type in and say, what day of the week is it? As you can see, very easy to type in. And then to add your answer options, you just come down here and type in related answer options. You can also select what's correct or incorrect. To add an additional option or answer option, you just click this plus button and so on. And to add a question beside the question, you can click the plus, and if you scroll down, it'll allow you to add a second question and so on. And to also remove it, you can click the trash can beside it. So let's say I am ready. I have the title of my quiz. I have one question as well as answer options and the correct answer selected. And I can click this floppy disk save button. It will save it here to my dashboard of games called Test Quiz now. And I can go ahead and click on it to activate it. And now I can click this share button. That is how students will access this live quiz. You can have them scan the QR code, or they can go to this URL here. You could also post that within your Google Classroom or your Seesaw account in order for students to access it. And once they get there, it allows them to go ahead and just live participate without signing in to this actual quiz and for everyone to see it there on the screen if you wish to show it. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a quick video on how to use the quiz option within Games on Lynx.